Uh, Hello everyone. So welcome to my another video. So last few videos I saw you that how you can create these pages, and I hope I'm able to do that, and it will helpful for you guys. And now if we are talking about our demo, you can see here some reviews with images. So what can I do for that? Basically, they are using looks. I think the looks app. So in that case, we need to also add our apps. So just click here, add third party element. You can see, click here and search here LOOX. Then you are able to see that. So here I'm going to put it here. So it's okay. I think if in your shop, let me check which review app uh, in my shop. Okay, I think the looks app already here, so it will works. Just click and save. And so far our design is okay. There is no problem, and yeah, this looks nice. And let me watch it again. And now I am going to match one by one. Then I think this video is basically to clear and to make it more similar like demo, so that we can make our page much more uh, clean and neat. Okay, let me view our page. So we can do from first section. See here how we can do that. Let me check one by one like that. Here you can see 60 pixel. So let me check our shop, our page, how it looks like. So it's basically almost 63. I think here little bit 2 or 3 pixel much we need to reduce. So it should make it 12, 22. And if we're talking about that, this gap, let me check how much there. So I think 55, and in our demo it like 70. So we need to increase, uh, like it should make it 40. Yeah, let's save. So one by one, by checking this, you can do that easily. And if you are talking about this height, we can also check that. And I think and it's 283. Fine. Let's check our demo, how much it. I think it's a little bit high. If I'm talking about, it should be decreased. Okay, let's click the section. So here's some, make it like 0. Okay, and save. So by using this process, you can make it much more professional and much more neat and clean. Okay, I am just showing you the way you can do that. And here you can see that it's 195, and if we are talking about our demo, it not like that. I think it should decrease like that. Okay, if you want we can give it 5 if you're fine. So then if we are talking about this gap, their gap 100, and our gap is not much more. But if we are watching that, it looks good because our theme and the demo theme is not same. That's the problem. Okay, I think. And let me check this gap and this gap. Okay, I think it looks good, not so bad. And this and this are not same. Let me check why it's not looks similar. So it should be 20 and the other things are okay. All these things are okay. I don't know why it's not so okay. Okay, let me do it. Okay, and style. I think poppings is enough. Okay, let's save. Now I can say that start sleeping soundly. This is not like um, here we need to do that. Uh, Make it like that. Then here you can say normal. Okay, same way you can do that. Just click here, click here, click here. Okay, we need to do that again. So here we can say that normal. Okay, now copy this and put it here again. Let's click save. Now in our lab you see that this is not like much more similar like that. So in that case what we can do, so we can do one thing, we can reduce this copy and we can reduce this line height, because our demo line height, if we are talking about that, 23.1, so we should also reduce the line height of our text 23.1. Okay, then copy and paste it everywhere. Okay, paste, and here we are using like that. It shouldn't be like that. Let me save and publish. If you are talking about this and this this gap, like 106, and let me check our gap. So it should increase 10. Okay, and one thing, and our, so I think let me do it in a, from the live. How, here here is the options. So here we can see text transform, text transform, um, capitalize, inherit, lowercase, capitalize. So here's some option, we can use none. Okay, so copy this and put it here, then it will show our as usual font. Okay, it will not show any capitalized or uppercase font. Let's save and publish, and let me check this thing. So if we are talking about this, it height like 250. Let me check our height. Okay, so our height is like, where it is, 235. So it should be much more in the, I think 10 is enough for that. And if you are talking about this the gap, here almost 65, and in our shop it like okay, it's I think it's okay. So basically I'm showing you the way you can make your page much more similar, much more uh, like look like demo. You can easily do that. Okay, see, this is our demo. It's going more below and it's not like that. So you can easily do that. This is the way. Nice. So basically when we click here in our demo, you see, let me cross this one, it will take us here. Okay, so now what should we need to do? We just click here, go general, and go attribute, go more setting. Here you will find a section name, so we should rename this one so that we can easily identify this section. So bundle package. Okay, I think I renamed it bundle package. Okay, let me go now in our buttons. Let me check other how other buttons works. Okay, click here. So I think all buttons should linked up with this section. So click here, action, click here, scroll to action. Here's some other option, but for now we should need to use that, and bundle package. Then click here, click bundle package. So here another button. Again, click here and bundle package. Okay, I think in a demo they are using much more button, and and uh, let me check another buttons. I think there are lots of buttons they are using. So okay, now all buttons are covered, and here you can see this space and this space is not like same. So what we can do in that case, we just come here and we should make our column price little bit high, and we can, oh, I'm sorry, and I think this okay, and if you want you can padding like that. Okay, fine, now it looks very good. So whatever we need to do now, we just need to click and save. I think our design almost done, and if we are talking about this, so we need to add here, and let's go below, add here this, copy paste this still so that we can use it everywhere, and make it like that, and it should be like that. Text transform should be done. Okay, and the same way, uh, you should be like that. Okay, fine. I think now all things are okay. Basically the problem is with that, and I think this one comes from our theme. That is the problem, so don't worry about that. If you are facing this problem, then you can do that easily. Okay, so So let me go view live page again. Okay, so now this is our whole design. I think it's much more okay. I think don't know why it's not working. Let me check this title. I think this one. Okay, and later on I will show you another video how you can change your text, images and content so that you can also able to do that easily. Fine, and another thing, I think when we click here, it shows a border. I think this is comes from a theme. Okay, and here you can see the reviews. So nice so far. Then let me check our mobile design. Okay, so okay, from let me check our demo. So here is our demo. So here one thing I noticed that this slideshow, I think this image should be not so much. Oh, sorry, this one. Okay, now it's fine. So our icon and their icon is not same, but I think ours icon looks much more good than theirs. And here you can see we are using a little bit smaller, but it should not be much like I think it's now so small. We should make it like that. So you can do that easily. Okay. Oh, sorry. And in the last video, I will show you how you can change all content and all, so that after making this template you can use your own content easily. I think that will be much more helpful for you because uh, once you are able to create this section but you are not able to change all the content and all that, that is not helpful for you. So that okay, in font privilege should be Poppins. And here you can see our one is too smaller. Okay, And one thing I noticed that here it should be like that. Okay, now it looks very much more good. Let me click save. So now we need to go here. I think this one. So our ones need to check why it looks like that. Here is okay, all things are okay. Sorry, go step. One family should use one family. Okay, and here also. But by default, it's works for from our PC design. Okay, I think now it's okay. So here you can see one thing that for our section. So our here is some problem with our container, but it comes from theme, but we shouldn't worry about that. Okay. Okay. I think all the things are okay. And but in some header we are seeing some issue. So we need to figure out that why it's looks like that. Okay. Now it's okay. Let me scroll. It's okay so far. So far, this button is a little bit. Here is a button, and we should need to make it like that. Okay. Now we should go below one by one and check it out. So here they are using uh, this. Let me download this one. Sorry, I'm talking about this. So this is the design. But we will use it for like as an image. Download. So after that you can remove easily remove pg.com. Go there, then open this, click here, then you can easily remove your all image and background, and it's totally free. You don't need to worry about that. And we should rename this. Now go all device and come here and upload this. Okay, select Oh, perfect. Save. Okay, let's me go below and check the demo site and our site how it looks like. So far it's okay. So here you can see that in our demo website the one image are, and this image is not necessary. So go general and hide it. Okay, and click save and publish, and just go below. Good. Okay, I think it's much more similar. And come here and click it. Come here and click here. So here is a little bit problem. You can see that this is basically from font size, no other issue. So we will now solve this. Click here, go channel, and make it full height, or you can do that like that. Okay, go shipping, and it should be like that. So that it will work easily. And if you want, you can do that in another way. So basically, it's up to you how you want to handle this, and we want to use it here too for mobile version. Okay, now save and publish, and let me check this, and this. I think it's much more similar. So I think thank you for this video, and in another video, if it's possible, I will show you how you can change content for your own product. Thank you very much.